Hi everyone, so for today we're looking at the Thursday calendar. Remember, we're looking at this going down. We're not looking at it sideways. So we're in week 2, which is this one right here. So for Thursday, we are doing social skills reader. So it's called game day. So we'll be doing pages 13 through 20. So make sure you find page 13 through 20, and it should be called game day. So let's go look at pages 13 through 20. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Let me find it. So game day. Let's see. So this is game day. So this is going to be our social skills. We're looking at this page. If you do not have it, please write it on a separate piece of paper. So it says, Lee has a hard decision to make. Do you ever have to make hard decisions? So right here we have Lee, and he's having such a hard decision who to give that second ticket to. He doesn't know which one to give it to. So he's reflecting. Remember, if you don't have this worksheet in your packet, you can write it on a piece of paper and make sure you take a picture of it so that you can submit it to your teacher. So here's our emotion dictionary, guys. We have conflicted. Conflicted means not able to decide. I'm conflicted about whether to watch baseball or football on TV. Relieved. Relieved means feeling that worry or stress has been taken away. Oh, I'm so relieved the test is over. Startled. Startled means suddenly surprised or frightened for a moment. I was startled when the door blew open. Thrilled. Thrilled means excited and very happy. I was so thrilled to meet my favorite actor. So let's go ahead and continue. Who do I give my ticket to? So he's trying to find out who he should give his ticket to. So right here he's having a tough decision. Which one of his friends he should give his ticket to. It says, I have 2 tickets for the big game. I also have 2 best friends who love baseball. 2 people plus me is 3, but I only have 2 tickets. Which friend should get the second ticket? I do not know what to do. So how is he feeling, guys? How do you think Lee is feeling? Is he feeling conflicted? Is he feeling scared? Oh my God. Is he feeling thrilled? Like, is he excited? Choose your best answer. We figure it out. I decide to talk to my friends about the problem. We figure out that we can pay for 1 ticket. We can buy the ticket together and split the cost. That way it will not cost any of us very much money. Now we all can go to the game together. So how is Lee feeling? Is he feeling worried? Is he feeling relieved? Or is he sad? Circle your best answer. Look at his face. How is he feeling? We get to our seats and cheer for our team. Suddenly, I see popcorn flying everywhere. A man behind me is falling forward. He is spilling his popcorn all over me. I was not expecting that. How is he feeling? Is he feeling proud? Or is he feeling happy? Or is he startled? Choose your best answer. A big catch. I shake off the popcorn and watch the rest of the game. My favorite player, Mike Fox, hits the winning home run. He hits the ball into the right field stands, and I catch it. This is the best game ever. I'm going to ask Mike to sign this special baseball. How am I feeling? Am I sad? Am I mad? Or am I thrilled? Connect the face to the feeling. So you are going to look at the reactions, their emotions, and you are going to match. You're going to match. You have thrilled, conflicted, startled, relieved, and sad. So let's do the first one together. How do you think he's feeling? Is he feeling thrilled? Is he feeling conflicted? Is he startled? Is he relieved? Or is he sad? He looks like he's conflicted. So right here, you would draw a line matching to this one. Why was Lee conflicted about his 2 tickets? Two of these people feel conflicted. So right here, I want you to tell me why Lee was conflicted about his 2 tickets. In a short sentence, write why. Then 2 of these people feel conflicted. So circle 2 pictures. There's 2 people in here that are conflicted. Can you find them? Good luck.